Hello and welcome again in a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to start learning Flutter from zero. So without wasting the time, let's get started. So before starting the video, I'm going to give you a brief introduction about Flutter. So Flutter is a framework and it is a cross-platform and it is an open source community. And the cross-platform means we can build hybrid applications by using the same code base. That's why it's called cross-platform. And Flutter is very easy to learn. So I'm going to discuss the most ever asked question about everyone who was trying to learn a new technology. Why to choose this technology? We are trying to learn Flutter, so why to choose Flutter? And I'm giving you the answer. We have to choose the Flutter because, first of all, this is a cross-platform and it is the product of Google and Google is backing it up. And in recent days, this technology, Flutter, is growing at very high pace. So in recent days, if we have the knowledge of this technology, Flutter, then we have a very big advantage in our mobile app development career. So if you have this knowledge of Flutter, then you have a very big advantage. You got a lot of job opportunities and you can also start publishing your app on Play Store and Amazon App Store. That's it. So in today's video, I am going to give you the 5 steps that you have to follow to start learning Flutter from zero. So the first step is you have to follow to start learning Flutter when you have zero knowledge of Flutter. Start reading the 15 or 20 articles about the Flutter. Then you got the environment, how the Flutter framework works, how all the widget works, how everything is set up in this framework. You got all the environment if you read the 15 to 20 articles about that technology. Now, the second step is that you have to try to follow the official documentation of the Google to start learning the Flutter. Google Flutter has its official docs, so you have to start learning from its official documentation. If you start learning from that official documentation, you got a lot of experience. Third step is that you have to deep dive in the widgets because the life of the Flutter framework lives in the widgets. Flutter framework has a lot of widgets in it. So if you deep dive in the widgets, you got a lot of things to explore in the Flutter framework. Because with the help of widgets, we can make a beautiful UIs and all. So this is all about the third step. Now we are coming to the fourth step, and the fourth step is that you have to master the UI part. If you master the UI part, user interface part, then you are a half mobile app developer. Because in mobile app development, the user interface part matters a lot. So if you master this part, you completed the 50% of the mobile app development. So when we come to our fifth step, the fifth step is that you have to build the basic apps like video player, video recorder, and torch app. When you build these type of basics app, you gain a lot of experience from that. How the code flow works, how the Flutter framework works, and how all the widgets are set up. You got a lot from that, I promise. So that's all the 5 steps are here. I hope you learned from that, and that's it for the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.